Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have the unboxing for Your Creative Studio, but I also wanted to show you what I recently made, and I've added some of the items that were included in that subscription box. I did recycle and repurpose lots of materials for this quick project. Now, I thought it could be like a really cool folio or even a journal cover. I'll show you what I used, and then I'll actually give you like a full flip through of this at the end of the video after I show you the unboxing. I had so much fun putting this together. It is similar to something I've made before, and I do have a tutorial for that on my channel. I will link that below as well if you're interested in seeing it. Let me show you the unboxing, and then I'll show you quickly how I put this together. So let me show you now the unboxing of the items from Your Creative Studio. So I really like the theme, and as I said, I've used some of the pieces that were in this subscription box. Now I'm sharing this video in March. The box was for a different month, but right now the way the boxes are coming, I'm not even going to bother trying to remember what month it was supposed to be for. Also, the boxes, when you subscribe to their shop, you don't really get to choose the items. They're sort of like a surprise every month. So this is just for you to get an idea of what came in this one. There are very similar pieces that they usually send, like stickers and washi tape and like labels and that sort of thing. Everything coordinates nicely together, and it all has a vintage style. So I really love these little boxes. These labels are really adorable, and I really like the size and the variety of shapes. And I did use one of these on the cover of my little folio that I just showed you as well. So I really also like the colors of the labels and the different sizes and shapes. These are always so useful for many projects, especially if you really like collaging and, you know, not necessarily to label an item, but to sort of enhance a project, maybe when you're doing a little collage and adding a little bit of label to it. Always really nice to have these on hand. These ones I really wanted to check out because they look like fabric swatches to me, and I really like that. I think playing with different you know, types of papers and designs is always nice, and the fact that these ones look like a fabric swatch are really adorable. So I also like that it's really nice thin paper, easy to collage with, and there's also different sizes, and the shapes are primarily, of course, rectangles and squares, which are always very useful. So this is another nice addition in this current kit, or subscription box, I should say. The next thing that I really liked is these really nice thick journaling cards. I love that they're double-sided, and I also love the thickness of it, as well that they already have the rounded corners to them. That's always very helpful. So I'm really liking the designs, and I'm really liking the thickness of these. So very happy with these ones that were included. I will link the shop below for Your Creative Studio if you have not seen it before. I have many unboxings for them as well, which you can check out so you can get an idea of the variety of items they include in their boxes. I'm really liking these ticket style, and they're actually stickers, which I'm really excited about. So they come right off the twine binding that they have, which is really you know, easy to access. But as you can see, these are actual stickers, which is a really great idea because you can use them on their own if you just, you know, cut them out and use them as tickets. But of course you can always collage them on something as well, or use them in projects, which is really nice. The next one is this little box of, I think they're like vellum papers, and I really like, you know, the different designs and colors of the vellum paper. That's always really nice to have, and as I always like to say, these go really nicely with many types of projects or scrapbooking, you know, creations that you might be making. I like that they're just very small, so they're easy to use in any projects. Now these are the stamps. I love the script stamp here with the florals. Now I currently don't have my acrylic blocks. They're still packed away as I'm still moving into my new space. So I'm not using these types of stamps at the moment, but I can't wait to use these and see how they come out because they're really nice. I always love anything that's botanical. And these, of course, are something you can use with just about any project. Then you have the washi tape, and I really like the design as well. And I did use a piece of this in the project that I showed you as well. So I had a lot of fun with these. The next ones I used a lot were these stickers, again, botanical themed. I really like these florals, the different sizes, and the fact that they have different colors for the botanicals is also very nice. And I think this is the paper that I ended up using, the packaging as well, for the giant journaling card that I put in the folio. So you can see here the variety of stickers, and I love that they are like washi style stickers, so you can kind of see right through them, and whatever background is there, you'll see through that. Now these again are vellum style ephemera pieces, and really nice. Again, I like the different designs, the colors, and the black and white. These stickers are exclusive to Your Creative Studio, and I forgot to mention everything that has Your Creative Studio on it is part of their own designs, so you won't be getting these anywhere else. I really love that they already made sure to show us that these are sticker papers. Sometimes it's hard to tell when you get them in the kits to know if it's like a sticker sheet or if it's just a regular scrapbooking piece of paper. But I really like that these ones already have the different color in the back, so you know it's a sticker. And again, really nice for collaging. And I did use some of these, or one of these, in the project that I'm going to show you right now. And I really like the design, and it went perfect actually with the little secret pocket I'm going to show you that I made. Now I do have tutorials for a lot of the things I'm going to show you right now, and I will link those in the description box below. I have tutorials for beginners, and I have lots of ideas on making projects with one pages. So I will link those playlists below if you're interested. But now let me show you this quick project. So these are envelopes I received from packages from Amazon. And so I decided to repurpose this envelope. And then of course, I love reusing junk mail envelopes, and I'll be using these two envelopes as well. I have shown you a previous video with, where I did like fold outs and flip outs with these types of projects. And I will link that video below if you have not seen it. I do have a tutorial showing you how I put these similar projects together. So this is somewhat similar to that, but a little bit different. So let me show you what I did. So on the cover, I've actually used some of my own printables as the background paper. And then I used some scrap pieces I had as well from other printables that I have used in the past. I did use these really large stickers from a haul I recently did from a store called Tapeology. And I will link that below if you didn't see that video. However, like I said, for this particular project, I used primarily items from Your Creative Studio, like the sticker on the top cover. So on the inside here, you'll see that I have this fold out or flip out. There's a sticker and a label that's from Your Creative Studio, as well as this large bookmark. And on the back of it as well, this is one of the cards that came in the kit, as well as the sticker on the bottom right. I thought that this flip out looked really nice the way I put that together. This is from one of the packages as well. And then the little card here that I put in there came from a kit, I think from maybe last month. I really like these journaling cards that came in this current kit. They're really nice and thick. Here I made a secret pocket fold out, again sticker from a previous kit. I have a video tutorial showing you how to make this secret little hiding spot, and I will link that below if you haven't seen that. It will also be on my blog for those of you that can't access the description box. On this side, we have another flip out, and again, I've just collaged various papers that I had on hand. This piece here came from the current kit, but I covered the back of it to make it a journaling card. It was part of packaging, but I really liked how that was designed, and the sticker and the washi tape as well came from the current subscription box. The journaling card here, or paper, is from a previous Your Creative Studio kit, as well as this one here. The sticker and envelope are from the current kit, and I just like to repurpose the items that are sent in that box as well. And as you can see, I've got the large pocket that remains to tuck some additional ephemera or pieces of items that I want to put in there. Now it lays nice and flat, of course, right now because I haven't fully loaded it with items, but you can see how nice it would be to send this in the mail to a friend and just load it up with some of your favorite pieces and have all these nice little secret pockets and things to pull out. I hope you enjoyed this quick project share. I will have links to Your Creative Studio's shop in the description box below, and questions, comments, just let me know. Again, thank you for joining me. If you did want to see a full tutorial on how I made this, then leave a comment below, and if I get enough interest, then I will get one ready to share with all of you. But as you can see, it's pretty easy, and like I said, it's very similar to ones I have shown you before and I've made a tutorials for. All right, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.